I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm about to undo something that I spent a lot of time and effort to do. I have to move that light that's right up there because the track goes underneath that rafter, and I have to have the light up out of the way so that the hoist doesn't hit it. And so I made up a couple of brackets. You watched me do those earlier. And now I'm gonna go up and mount the bracket and raise that light up out of the way. I'm not gonna do that side because I've got a bunch of stuff to move before I can get over. It's just, you know, move things to move things to move things. Standard operating practice here at Old Sneelock's Workshop, but we're gonna make it work. So I gotta climb up there and take that light bracket down and then put up the new light bracket and stick the light back up onto the new bracket, and hopefully that'll take care of the problem. Crescent wrench. What did I do with my crescent Phew. Looks like I'm drilling sideways. I have to come down and move the ladder over so I can get a little more leverage on that. I sure can tell that I've not been up here very much lately. Well, I have one hole drilled, and the bracket is mounted, so to speak, but it's not finished. I still have to drill another hole, but I got to reset the ladder so I can get a good shot at it with my right arm instead of trying to drill it with my left. There we go. Now I got a shot at it. There, it's anchored. Gonna take some time to finish this project, like all of them. Lots of things going on. More drags on my time than I like to think about. Got a lot of responsibilities. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And you can always subscribe to see more of the interesting work that I've got going on out here building my shop. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.